Back at it again, boys. Hey, Mondo, what are we doing, bro?
Huh?
What are we doing, bro?
I'm trying to take
Should
the
we tell
tranny
him?
out.
Should we tell him?
I'm trying to take the transmission out.
It's a
I
single
want-
cam.
Because I really want to see if the flywheel's good before I put the new clutch in.
Boom. Done.
Put those right there, just in case, you know,
Yep.
you lose them.
Always put your bolts back.
See that?
Look at this, boys. 2, 3. If you know about Hondas, you know what this is, and it's gonna be quick. That's all I gotta tell you guys. If you don't know, then stay tuned. Transmission coming off. Gonna redo the flywheel. Guy's not ready for this thing. Badly. Get in there, Mons.
It's fucking hot.
It's hot today, boys.
Damn.
It's like 7 o'clock at night and it's freaking
It's kind of good with
80 out here.
Suspension.
I'll show you guys.
Later on, we'll show them.
I'll show them right now.
Show them what we're doing the project. These things are all the way back here.
Back. Gotta remove off the tranny off this thing, get the flywheel resurfaced, got a new clutch coming in. There it is, boys. DC5. Look at that flywheel, boys. Look at that. Tell them what's up, Mondo. You ready?
Badass. Light and flywheel, boys.
There it is, Mondo. Who are you, bro?
Where from?
Out with the old, boys. Out with the old. Here we go, boys.
We'll make sure we don't.
It ain't no hugger killer. It ain't. Might be, Mondo. What do you think?
Telling you, bro. If I lose, I'm getting heads and cameras. Jose's. It's in the hugger, bro.
Out. Out with the old, Mondo. Look at that. OEM everything, boys. The OEM Honda filter right there, bro.
Should I just lower it down hasta abajo? Come on. Should I just lower it down hasta abajo so we won't have attention to the
It's on its way.
too much to this, you know?
All underneath, I'll paint it black.
What's it look like, Mondo? You never seen your car like this before.
You haven't seen it like this?
No, you haven't. You've seen it with the motor out?
Well, only the tranny now.
Yeah.
I only took the tranny now.
Oh
I
yeah,
had to change
yeah,
the
yeah.
clutch
I remember.
before,
I remember.
But I haven't took
That's
the tranny
almost
now.
though, but not the full motor.
Yeah, so it's now it's gonna have a new heart.
Yep.
You know, basically, you know, we gotta take everything out. Basically, come on, I'm gonna
Tell
show
them
you
what's
guys.
up, dude.
So this is the old subframe right here. This is from the SI one. I ended up getting the EG one. The EG one actually sits further, so basically the motor's gonna sit further. It's gonna have better balance. I ended up painting it, so it's in the back.
Yeah,
But
we'll show you. I'll show you right now.
This has to go, and it's gonna be. This one's actually heavier.
Yep.
So the one I got,
gonna be
the EG
lighter.
one is lighter. So,
Yep.
yeah, this one has to go.
This one you can tell it's a lot bigger. It looks bigger, huh?
This hella ugly.
Than the other one, huh?
Yeah.
It's gonna look nice right there with the. Oh,
Yeah, seriously.
can't wait, guys.
Little by little. vlogger?
Who are you, bro? Huh?
Homeboy Luke helping.
Gotta get in there, boys.
Gotta prep it, you know? Prep it up. Get in there little by little, you know? This stuff takes time, you know? Built, not bought, you know what I mean?
Who are you, bro?
It's true though. Very, very true, you know?
Yup, just sanding it down.
Got a little spots, a little more spots to do. On the parts, dude.
I almost got my vein.
Oh,
Yeah. I got a peachy peach one in my car. Feeling ready for that one. No cherry, huh? That was one of my favorites right there.